Good morning. So I want to go over a couple of things. First of all, the study guide. What I'm going to do, you guys, is I'm going to attach the link to this video right here in the title of the study guide so that if you want to watch a quick review, you can easily see it just by going to the study guide. I'm going to post on Google Classroom, and you'll be able to just kind of click on that and watch this video whenever you need. For the study guide, a lot of you have had questions about what to do. First of all, these two sections right here for India and Islam, all the information comes from the posters that we have in class. And so you're going to go around, you're going to find the information you need from all the posters. I have one multiple choice question essentially for each one of these. Maybe it's, who was Muhammad? What are the central beliefs of Islam? Is it one God? Is it many gods? What's significant about the Ottoman Empire, the Safavids, the Muslim contributions to the world? This one's really important. You should make sure that you know a major scientific contribution, a literature contribution, medicine, art, everything that you need to know right there. So this is the majority of your questions here on this section. As for the Chola Empire, kind of keep in mind about when it occurs. The Calicut, we're talking about what's so important about that particular city. And then the decline of the Mughal Empire, what causes that decline, and why was it referred to as a gunpowder empire. As for this stuff, you just had a test on Unit 2, right? That was all of feudalism in the Middle Ages. Now, what I did here is I linked my slides within the area of which you should be looking through those slides for that information. So feudalism, for example, does include what the three periods in the Middle Ages are. It also includes the why it appears after the fall of Rome, the Franks, Charlemagne, the significance of Charlemagne's empire, and the Vikings. My religion in medieval Europe slides are linked here. You'll find the information that you need throughout that section, and then the decline of feudalism covers basically the rest of these bullet points underneath it. As for the Roman Empire, you guys, my slides are linked here, and then you really want to review your Roman Empire packet that you hopefully kept. If you didn't, I posted a copy of it on Google Classroom. The Byzantine Empire doesn't have a link because that was entirely in your notebook. You should take a look in your notebook on one of the final pages of Unit 1 because the Byzantine Empire, Unit 2 area, because the Byzantine Empire was within the Roman Empire section of our notebook. These two links are my geography slides. They're the same one, but you need to look through those to find those answers. And then this one here is from the World in 300 CE notes. And so you're going to need to make sure you check that packet that's in your notebook. Again, the World in 300 CE, and then I linked my slides here just in case you lost it. The vocabulary is kind of scattered throughout. Now, the good thing is you just did a lot of this vocab for your Unit 2 review. So if you want to kind of just tear out your Unit 2 study guide and then tape it in or whatever you need to do, that's fine. That actually covers a lot of this because it's a repeat. The major things you're going to need to review are the sections on the Byzantine Empire, my geography notes, and then your Islam and India stuff because that's kind of the newer or, hey, this is really ancient information that I don't have, right? So you should have feudalism down. We just had our Unit 2 test, but just keep in mind that the other questions are there to kind of remind you of what else we've studied so far in this school year. So that's how this study guide works. Again, you can watch this review anytime you need. Just kind of the instructions of what you need to do. Towards the end of the study guide, there's going to actually be an additional page where I'm going to post a review video on each of my slides. So I'm going to do a quick review on feudalism, religion in medieval Europe, the decline of feudalism, the Roman Empire, world geography, and the world in 300 CE. So that way, if it's a matter of, I can't find where the slides are, you at least have the videos to look at. So again, this is on Google Classroom. Click the links in order to find out more.